How to log into Instagram from Facebook. So in this video I'll show you step by step on how to do it. First of all, go out and open your Instagram or your Facebook app like this. So as you can see now, after you open your Facebook, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now scroll to down and tap on this where it says settings and privacy. Now tap on this settings. So under this settings, now tap on this where it says see more in account center. Now as you can see now, tap on this where it says profiles. So as you can see now, I already now connected my Instagram account with my Facebook account. So all you have to do now, tap on this back arrow. So scroll to down and tap on this login with account. So as you can see now, in this section, as you can see now, here is the option. As you can see now, here it says allow all accounts to log in to each others. So tap on this section. So after you change this setting to this one, now close your Instagram, your Facebook. Now go back to your Instagram app. After you come back to your Instagram app, maybe you are already on login session, so it will just allow you automatically to log into your Instagram account with your Facebook login information. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.